Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to all of you. Okay, so today we will start on the lab 3. Okay, lab 3 actually that mentioned to you before this. So the lab 3 will be divided by 2 lah. Okay, so the first 2 weeks, so some of the group will be do on the PLC and then another group will be on the pneumatics. Okay, so now you are on the pneumatic lah. Okay, so I will start the lab briefing for the lab 3. Okay, can you see my lab sheet here? Guys, can you see the lab sheet? So I will share, okay, I will share after this. I will share the lab sheet after this, all right. So actually, I already sent the lab sheet on the chat, okay, the file, but cannot, I think, I'm not sure, cannot, you can read or not on the chat. I just already shared the lab sheet on the chat, so, but I think it's not into to the chat because this one in my PC will be put as the network disconnect. So I'm not sure you can get the lab sheet or not on the chat. So I already submit the file for the lab 3 on the chat. Can you get the lab sheet? If not, so after this I will submit to the group lah. I will send to the groups. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so today just a briefing, briefing about the lab 3. Maybe we just take half an hour. Okay, I just explain what you have to do on the lab 3. Okay, so the lab 3 actually is the troubleshooting lah. Okay, it's the troubleshooting using the FluidSim. Okay, using the FluidSim because of the MCO, so we have to do the software lah. So before this, for the lab 3, actually we do same, okay, the troubleshooting, but we give the hardware. So from the hardware we do some troubleshooting lah. Okay, troubleshooting. But now we do on the because of the online, so we do on the simulation lah. Okay, on the simulation. So using the FluidSim software. All right, so let's start. Okay, so the learning outcome for lab 3 is the demonstrate usage of the model tools. Okay, for example, we use the FluidSims and evaluate the selection of preferred design techniques or tools. Okay, so you can see this one. Okay, you can see. Okay, for this lab, we just only one task. Okay, only one task. Okay, you can see this one, only one task for lab 3. Okay, task 1 is the troubleshooting using the FluidSim lah. Alright, so you can read this one, the sentence here. This circuit is in the system with two double acting cylinder where the process starting when the press the push button lah. Okay, this one the push button. Okay, double acting cylinder A, alright, this one A will be extend. Okay, you can see this one, the sentence here will be extend to A1. This means will be extend to A1 here, right? A1 here. Okay, then followed by cylinder B. Okay, the double actuating B here. This is cylinder B. This is cylinder A. Will be extend to B1. Okay, that means first when you press the push button here, all right. This is suppose. Okay. When you press this button, push button, so suppose the piston cylinder 1 here will be extend to A1, and then after it extend, then the cylinder B will be extend to B1 here. Okay, then next the cylinder B will be retract. Okay, that means the cylinder B will be retract first. Okay, retract to B not here. Okay, and followed by cylinder cylinder A lah to A nodes. Okay, retract to the A nodes, and then this process is will be continued until we press the push button to stop lah. Okay, that means this is latching lah. Okay, so we press again, so we be stop the operation lah. That means okay, this process will be repeat. Okay, will be repeat lah. Okay, all right. So, but this system have the malfunction during due to wiring on the pneumatics, electro-pneumatics, or due to pneumatic system lah. All right. So as you as the software engineer have to troubleshoot this circuit first using the software to identify the problem. All right. So you can see this circuit. Actually, on this circuit we have two error. Okay, we have two error. Okay, remember this one. So actually, okay, this is not a malfunction circuit. All right. So this is not function. This circuit is not function. Suppose, okay, that's why you have to troubleshoot. You have to troubleshooting for this circuit. All right. So if successful, that means when you press this button, push button 1, okay, push button lah. All right. So automatically cylinder A here, cylinder A will be extend to A1. Okay, after extend, then will be followed by cylinder B. Okay, cylinder B will be extend to B1. Then, okay, B1 and cylinder B will be retract again, retract to B nodes. Then followed by cylinder A, retract to A nodes. And then this process will be repeat lah. Will be repeat and then will be stopped when you press the push button. That is the successful circuit lah. Okay, for this one we have two error. Okay, either on the pneumatic system, okay, this one on the pneumatic system or electro-pneumatic system. Okay, your part, you have to do the troubleshooting lah. You have to, first you have to draw this circuit, okay, this circuit, this is electro-pneumatic and also the pneumatic on your FluidSim, and then you have to troubleshoot lah. So that I mentioned to you, so we have two error only, we have two error either in the pneumatic system or electro-pneumatic system, okay. That's why you have to troubleshoot lah. Okay, you have to troubleshoot this circuit. Okay, that means this circuit already given here. We have not function, and then you have to draw again. Then you have to troubleshoot which one the problem on the circuit lah, either on the pneumatic system or on the electro-pneumatic system lah. Okay. All right, class. Guys, clear this one for the lab 3. Okay, that's all for explanation for lab 3. You have to troubleshoot this circuit, okay, using the FluidSim. Okay, first you have to draw, okay, draw the circuits, okay, and then try simulate lah. Okay, that means you cannot simulate because we have some error here. Okay, so that's why you have your part. You have to troubleshoot two error. Okay, we have two error either on the electro system, electro-pneumatic system, or on the pneumatic system. Okay, remember we have only two error. Okay, not more than two. Okay, only two error. I just put two error only. So you have to troubleshoot which one the error. Okay, you have to identify the error lah on the circuits. Okay, clear guys for lab number 3. Boleh? Okay, clear. If you're clear, so I will explain on the assessment. All right. So on the assessment, so this one, no direct assessment. All right. So this one you have to submit short report. All right. For this one, only short report, maybe 2 or 3 pages. Okay. All right. For this lab, you have to submit report, but it's not long report lah. It's a short report. Okay. Maybe 3 or 4 pages only. Maybe 2 to 4 pages. Okay. That is for report. For this okay, for this lab. All right. So it's this on the this lab is a short report. Not a long report lah. Okay. It's a short report. Maybe around 2 to 4 pages only. Okay. And then okay, for the assessment, okay, you have to do the simulation of video presentation. That means on the video presentation, you just identify which one the error. Okay, you have to change the error and then you run again the simulation lah. Then make sure your system, okay, on the simulation, your system is works. That's it. All right. That's it for the assessment for this lab. First, you have to submit the short report. Okay, the short reports are not too long. Just pages to 4 pages is okay, right? The maximum is 4 lah. Okay, not more than 5. Okay, just this one, just a simple short report. Okay, simple short reports. Okay, the content.
Doctor,
Okay, actually the content just to follow the similar one, but not explain detail lah. Not explain the detail. For example, like the backgrounds, no need to detail. Not need to put the for example the literature review or the project background on it. Just straightforward. Okay, this one straightforward. Okay, follow the objective. What is the objective for this lab? And then and then your methodology. That's mean how you troubleshoot this circuits. Okay, that's it. That's mean you have on the report you have to identify which one the error. Okay, from this circuit, which one the error. Okay, that's why not too long lah. Just 2 or 3 pages is okay. All right, for this one. And then another one. Okay, for the before this is just a direct assessment, but now because of the online. So another one, you have to submit the video, okay, to show your simulation is successful. Okay, your simulation is successful. That means, okay, you have, on the video part, you have to show that, okay, this is original, okay, not function, all right, not function. This circuit is not function. Then you change the, okay, you try identify the error, you change, and then you run again. So see the simulation will be successfully. That's it for video. Okay, for video presentation lah. Maybe around 3 minutes. Okay, something like that lah. Okay, for the video pun not too you have to explain the introductions. Okay, no need. Straightforward. Okay, straightforward. For video presentation, just straightforward. I want to see the successful of your circuits. Okay, which one the problem. Okay, you have to identify. Okay, for example, this part is problem. Okay, this part is problem. All right. Then we change this one to this one. For example, okay, for example, like this one. Okay, this K1 is the problem actually. So we change K1 to B1, for example, B1 to B1, and then you direct change, and then you run again. All right. So then your circuit is successfully. So that means this extend will be apa? This piston will be extend, retract lah, continuously until you stop the push button. Okay, that's it. That's it for the video. I think around 1 minute or 2 minutes is okay. Okay. Okay, yes. Okay, first you have to write the objective, simple objective. Okay, that means this objective is to troubleshoot to troubleshoot the problem of the circuits. Okay, for the pneumatic and electropneumatics. And methodology, you have to explain first you have to draw the the problem ones, the circuit problem one, and you have to try troubleshoot. Okay, troubleshoot. Maybe you have to to check which one the identify which one the error. Okay, that is for methodology lah. And then the result, okay, the result actually you can on the report you can print screen. Okay, you can print screen which one the error. Okay, this is the error part. Okay, and then another one you can print screen for the, okay, this is the after correction lah. This is the correct circuit suppose. And then no need to put the simulation lah, because the simulation, the result on the simulation will be appear on the video. Okay, on the video part lah. Okay, but this one on the report we just to state, okay, or identify, okay, for example, this is error. Okay, this circuit is error, and then another part, okay, this is you change to new one lah. This is 2 error identified for the circuits. Then this new the new one after you change. That's it. Okay, no need to put print screen for the result for simulation lah. So the result for simulation I will check on the video on the video part lah. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. That means for this one we just only 2 assessment lah. First is the short report. Okay, maybe around 2 or 3 pages or 4 pages is okay. All right, and then another one is the simple video presentation lah. Okay, not video presentation is not just a formal presentation, just a straightforward. Okay, for example, this is first, okay, we draw this circuit using the FluidSim, and then there is some error here. And then after we identify, okay, this is two error that mentioned to you. We have two errors, so we change this one to this one. Okay, then you run again. So after you run again, so okay, this is the result lah. That means your system is function. Okay, it's successfully. Okay, Atik Fajar. So I will share to the group. Before actually I already share to the chat, but I think we can. It's not allowed. All right. So after this, after I finish the this session, I will send again the lab sheet. Okay, the lab sheet for lab 3. Okay, the due actually this lab that I mentioned to you is the 2 weeks. Okay, it's the 2 weeks. That means okay, this is first week, and then actually next week is the midterm break. Okay, midterm break, and we have another 1 weeks lah. Okay, right. So the due date for this lab is week number 7. Okay, week number 7. Okay, next week is 8, and maybe yes, you can submit on the week 10. Okay, you can submit on the week 10 lah. Okay, the submission for this lab is week 10 now. Okay, week 10. Okay, any questions before I stop here? After that, I will share the lab sheet for the lab 3. Okay, I repeat again. Okay, maybe some of you are late to enter this presentation. So
Can you
for
re-explain on the
we have to do
report
only
again?
one task. Only one task. That is the troubleshooting. Okay, using the FluidSim software. All right. So actually, you can see this one. The circuit here, we have two error. Okay, that I mentioned to you. We have two error. Okay. For this circuit, we have two error. Either on the pneumatic circuits. Okay, pneumatic system here, or electro-pneumatic system. Okay, either one. Or for example, maybe two from electro-pneumatics. Okay, or two from the pneumatic system. Okay, but only two. Okay, that means maybe one here or one here. All right, or two here, or this one is no error. Okay, for example like that. That means this circuit we have only two error. Okay, this two error. Okay, and then you have to draw again using the FluidSim and then troubleshoot lah. Troubleshoot, identify which part the error. Okay, which part the error. They mentioned to you we have only two error. Okay, all right. So the function for this circuit actually that I mentioned here will be explained here lah. Okay, when you press this push button, okay, push button here, all right, PB, and press this push button. So the cylinder 1, okay, double acting cylinder 1 A here will be extend to A1. All right, after extend to the 1, so the cylinder B will be extend to B1. Okay, the B1. Then the cylinder B will be retract. Okay, will be retract to B0, then followed by cylinder A to A0. Okay, and then the process will be continuous. Will be continuous until you press the push button here lah. And then after you press this push button again, so will be stop. Okay, all right. So that is the successful circuit lah. That's why this is not we have some error lah. That I mentioned to you, we have some error. So that's why your part you have to troubleshoot. Okay, you have to troubleshoot these circuits. Right, for the assessment, okay, for this lab you have to submit two types. Okay, first is the short report. It's not long report. The short reports maybe around 2 or 3 pages. Okay, for this one, a short report, straightforward. Okay, first is the objective. All right, and then second is the methodology. Okay, you explain how you design this one using the SolidWorks. Okay, using the FluidSims. Okay, and then the which part the error lah, identify which part the error. Okay, that's it for the short report. And then for the another one is the video presentation lah. And then video presentation only no need to detail lah. That means no need to too long. Just a short video presentation, maybe around 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so you have to identify which part the error, and then you change the error. Okay, you modify the error. Then we have to show the solution lah, the correct solution. Okay, that's it for the video. Okay, for lab report, I mentioned to you, the lab report, we have to submit the short report. Only the short report. That means not too long report. That means no need to put the project backgrounds. Okay, because the project background already you are submit on the lab number 2. Okay, that's why this is we want to short report, straightforward. That means you have to explain the objective for this lab, and then straightforward to objective lah. Straightforward to the methodology. Right, and then explain which part the error. Okay, identify which part the error. And that's it lah. Okay, for the result, we have to show on the video part. Okay, on the video part. So on the video, you have to so this is the error. So we change from this one to this one, and then this one to this one. Then you have to run the submission. Okay, that's it for the video. Okay, straightforward. Video pun around 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, 2 or 3 minutes video presentation. Okay, so the reports and the video you have to submit week number 10 lah. Okay, week number 10. Now week number 7. So you have another 3 weeks lah to submit the report and video presentation lah. Okay, any questions? Okay, boleh guys. Okay. Okay. For video presentation, okay, maybe the short video, so not too big. So you can share the link. Okay, you can share the link lah. So because I'm not organize the ULearn for this semester. Okay, for this semester. So maybe no need. Okay, just you can discuss. Either only one person have to explain the video on the video presentation lah. Maybe you can discuss with group. Okay, no need to everybody. No need to everybody. That means you have to do introduction. No need. Just video presentation. Just straightforward. Okay, straightforward video presentation. No need to do introductions. Okay, abstracts. Okay, the project background. No need. Okay, the video presentation just straightforward. Okay, so this is show on the video. Okay, on the submission. All right. Okay, so actually this is the original one, the circuit, and then after we click the submission, so there is error. Okay, and then after we troubleshoot, so we identify 2 error, and then we change this one. Okay, error number 1, this one to this one, and error number 2, this one to this one. Then we run again. So and then successful. So you have to show the submission. Okay, the submission of the pneumatic system lah. The double active cylinder will be extend. Okay, cylinder 1 extend, and then cylinder B extend, then cylinder B will be retract, cylinder A will be retract, and then this will be continuous. Okay, this process will be continuous until you press the push button. So will be stop. All right, that's it. Okay, that's it for the video. That's why I mentioned to you maybe around 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, no need to do a long video presentation lah. Okay, that means just a straightforward video presentation. That means straightforward to the circuits. Okay, no need to explain the instructions. Okay, the background, no need. Okay, straightforward to the circuits. Okay, that's all for explanation for lab number 3. All right. So any question before I stop here? Okay, after this I will share. Don't worry, I will share on the group the lab sheet. Then you can discuss with your group lah. Okay, so if no question, right? So I will stop. I will stop here. Right. So okay, good luck to all of you. All right. So if you have any problem, you can check with me. All right. Okay. So thank you guys. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay.